Good day guys, today on my table I have a broken microphone. So this is the microphone from the church. As you could see, it has been bent so many times and simply this that piece fall off. And supposed to be very careful because those parts are very soft, and someone tried to twist this microphone and I can see that the wire is twisted many times. I tested before this video, so the microphone is working. Okay, and I'm going to try to attach this microphone, okay, this piece with the other one. Okay, I want to connect these two pieces together. So what I did so far, I used the sandpaper. Okay, this is 320 sandpaper, and I simply cleaned the paint, the black paint from this surface, and I also scratched a little bit, the paint inside of it by the screwdriver. This screwdriver, I simply prepare those surfaces for gluing. Okay, so make sure that you are going to clean this, that there are not going to be any pieces left. I'm going to put those pieces together, okay, and I'm going to apply some glue to it, but in order to make it stronger, I'm going to use the wire which I used for the bicycle. Okay, this is the wire which is used for brakes in the bicycle, and I'm going to glue it inside of it over here. So basically, if I'm going to glue it, so the entire surface of this wire is going to be in the glue, so it's going to be bigger chance that those two pieces are going to stay together. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, and in order to close this gap, okay, I'm going to first disassemble this connector. Please notice that someone tried to fix this before and lost two screws, so they used a little bit bigger ones. That's why they look like they are appearing right now. They're supposed to look like this, but someone tried to fix this before and lost these two screws. That's why we have what we have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them out first. All right. All right, and which is very interesting that I opened many microphones, but I never saw something like this. I saw simply wires, but it has also the electronics inside. This is the glue which I'm going to use. You may have your own, but this one says it glue also metal. Okay, so it is good for metal and also for concrete, okay, for plastic, so that's why I'm using this glue. Okay. Okay, we're supposed to mix this two ingredients together. Okay, make sure that this is mixed very well. I'm going to apply this glue on both surfaces. I'm going to apply into this little pipe. I believe we'll need some more. I never used this glue before. Okay, I'm going to also put this glue inside of this piece as well. All right, I prepared some paper. Okay, so I'm going to lay this down over here. As you can see, my glue finished. So I'm going to prepare a little bit more. As I said, I never used this glue before, but according to the information which I found, it is very strong glue. I believe this is going to be okay. So next, and now I'm going to put the glue on the wire. And I'm going to put into this hole. Okay, more and more glue, because I want to make sure this is going to stay. All right. Now I'm going to use my tools. can be good enough. I don't want to get into these connections up there. I'm going to pull this wire. Alright, so now what I'm planning to do next, I'm trying to use the shrinking tube, right? Apply into my project in order to make this connection a little bit more stronger. So I'm going to use, let's say, this amount of this shrinking tube. Alright, and I'm going to add some more glue to make sure that this is going to be very strong connection. Alright. To make sure that everything is fine over here. Okay, and I'm going to add more glue. Alright, and I'm going to put this one. Okay, the gluing process is over. I'm going to leave like it is right now for drying. I hope it is going to work. As I said, I have no experience with this glue, and I never had chance to fix that kind of microphone. So we'll see. Okay, the instruction says that I have to wait from 15 to 24 hours. So, guys, I will see you soon.